So we finally got a chance to tear into Cody's 6-liter Power Stroke here after he brought it into us with that horrible tapping, knocking noise. We suspected valve train, something in the engine, and y'all guys went pretty crazy in the comments with suspecting rocker arms, lifters, push rods, etc. Anyways, we got the valve covers off, and I can see under the oil rail right now, one of the rocker arms is off the springs. So I'm suspecting it's broken. I'm gonna take the oil rail off and we'll see what's underneath for sure and go from there.